Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be checking out the Oukitel WP16 rugged smartphone that was released not long ago. It is a rugged smartphone that packs some interesting technology and features that we will explore today. The product packaging looks good, let's proceed to unbox it to see what is inside. Inside the box, users will find one Oukitel WP16 rugged smartphone, packed nicely in a dedicated foam slot. Next out is the USB-C charging cable, which is provided with a wall charging adapter to charge up the Oukitel WP16 when the battery is low. A set of paperwork like safety instructions is included with the device. A SIM card tray pin is included to unlock the SIM tray. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the Oukitel WP16 looks and feel to be of a sturdy material. Hard and durable. Let's peel off the protective layer on the screen before use. As you see, it has a sturdy and solid metal body frame on it, which creates a sense of durability and quality to it. The SIM card tray can be used to place your SIM card for network along with your SD card expandable storage if you want to expand the storage of the device like what I am doing here. Simply slot the tray back when done and the device is ready for use. At the bottom, users will find a USB-C charging port, which can be used to recharge up the smartphone when battery is low. Let's power the device up. When powered up, the boot logo boots up nicely, and elegantly too. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up the device. It has a rugged-themed home screen and wallpaper when booted. It is powered by Android 11 OS, which runs really smoothly and is fast and responsive when I scroll around. It also isn't jam-packed with bloatware like some other smartphones in the market that are packed with bloatware, making the device lag and eating up on storage. This operating system feels clean. Now, let's try out the main 20-megapixel camera. It is easy to launch and operate, just point and shoot. Simple as that. The camera features a whole host of different shooting modes like night mode, filter mode, panorama mode, pro mode, beauty mode and many more. One cool feature is the infrared night vision. It has infrared sensors to allow the camera to be able to capture and see during night conditions. As you see in this demo, I am walking around in complete darkness. With the night vision enabled on the smartphone, I can navigate around my home with ease as it is able to see obstacles in my path. Great for people who go on outdoor camping trips and need a night vision camera to see and navigate. Check out some pictures I captured on the smartphone. It captured these shots during the day in clear vivid colors. Nice. Even during night conditions, the image turns out in decent quality too. Very vivid, and clear. Here is a video I recorded during the day. Decent video quality. I can see my fishes swimming gracefully in their tank and record the moment on camera. During night, videos are also reasonably clear. Shots of vehicles as you see here are clear and visible even when lighting isn't that good at night. The smartphone has a handy toolbox, which contains some cool gadgets like a gradient tool, along with a sound meter, digital compass, digital magnifying glass, and some other tools. Cool, right? It also has a very bright flashlight which can be activated when needed. Let's try running a game on it. This game requires coordination and responsiveness. The device, as you see, is able to key in my inputs and movements promptly during the game. With Android 11, users can get the latest software updates to their apps hassle-free since it is one of the newest Android OS available at the time of filming. Awesome. WP16 rugged smartphone, a device catered for people who like to adventure out, and need a powerful smartphone that is able to handle rugged day-to-day activities to fit its user's lifestyle. The huge battery pack also is a plus point for longer usage time on a full charge. If you want to find out more about the Oukitel WP16, find out more with the link in description. Thank you.